Managing project teams can be a challenge, especially when it comes to keeping everyone on the same page and ensuring things run smoothly. But with CoConstruct, managing project teams becomes not only easier, but more effective. In this video, we'll show you how CoConstruct can streamline your team management, improve communication, and enhance your project efficiency. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial link in the description below. This allows you to test out CoConstruct with no risk and get some incredible bonuses. Now, let's start with the first key point. CoConstruct allows you to manage tasks across your entire team, ensuring that everything from daily responsibilities to long-term goals is tracked in one place. No more scattered spreadsheets or lost emails. With task assignments clearly outlined, you'll always know who's doing what and when it's due. This keeps your project moving forward without missing a beat. Next thing, CoConstruct offers real-time updates and communication. This means that whether your team members are on site or working remotely, they can access project details instantly. It's a game changer for construction teams who need to be constantly updated on progress, delays, or changes. Everyone stays informed without any of the typical miscommunication problems. The third thing, budget management in CoConstruct is seamless. You can keep track of costs, manage invoices, and stay on top of your financials all within the platform. It integrates with your accounting tools to make sure your project stays on budget, which is crucial for managing teams efficiently. No surprises here. Another key feature is the client communication portal. CoConstruct helps you maintain transparent communication with your clients by giving them access to important project updates and documents. This reduces the back and forth emails and keeps the client involved without overwhelming them with too much detail. This is a huge time saver and ensures the project aligns with their expectations. The fifth thing that sets CoConstruct apart is its flexibility. It allows you to customize workflows, set priorities, and adjust timelines, making it easy to adapt as things change. This ensures that no matter how dynamic your project is, your team can stay organized and focused on the end goal. Finally, one of the best aspects of using CoConstruct to manage project teams is the ability to monitor project progress visually. You can create detailed schedules and timelines that give you a quick overview of where the project stands. This is perfect for keeping the entire team aligned and ensuring that deadlines are met. CoConstruct is an all-in-one tool that helps you keep track of everything from task management to client communication to budget control. And remember, you can try this software for free using the link below, which includes some extra bonuses to get you started. This free trial is exclusive, and it gives you full access to all of CoConstruct's features without any risk. Be sure to check it out and see how CoConstruct can help you manage your project teams more efficiently than ever before. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the link in the description to start using CoConstruct for free today.